dBs Institute's highly practical live sound degree will see you develop in-depth knowledge and the practical skills required to design, build and operate professional sound systems in a range of varied live event situations such as festivals, small and large-scale venues, theatres and other commercial events. You'll become confident in areas such as front-of-house mixing, digital audio networking, advanced system optimization, audio console operations and immersive sound installations. You'll be using professional-grade equipment from respected manufacturers such as L Acoustics, Allen & Heath, Martin Audio, Midas, Avid, Yamaha and DMB Audio Technic. In addition, you'll have numerous work experience opportunities in a diverse array of live event situations, allowing you to apply your skills in real-world settings while gaining invaluable industry insights and connections.
In the first year of this degree, you'll learn about the behaviour of sound and how it's affected by physical environments, develop your live mixing skills, and delve into loudspeaker designs. You'll explore the evolution of sound culture and bring together many aspects of live sound in the planning, production, and execution of a live show.
In your second year, you'll refine your live mixing skills, exploring digital processes and various module technologies. You'll develop the knowledge needed to operate and tune a sound system to a specific environment and discover how technology can be used to deliver live experiences via digital means. In the final year of your live sound degree, you'll deepen your understanding of monitoring and learn the skills needed to optimize the tuning of a system to create the best possible experience for an audience in a live music setting. Students progressing on from the live sound course will possess a vast expertise of every element that goes into producing live music to a high standard. By the time you graduate, you'll have all the experience required to pursue a career at a professional level.